Everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and make a new Cash App account for yourself. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is, first thing would be simply for you to access your Cash app in your mobile phone, right? And this kind of interface is gonna appear where you're gonna go ahead and enter your phone or email that you want to create your account with. Once you have done so, this kind of another interface gonna appear. If you have, so once you have entered the information, you're gonna go ahead, enter the code that will be sent to either to your number, either to your email. If it's in the mail, go ahead, check your inbox and copy that particular confirmation code and paste it over here. Then afterwards, it will ask for you to enter your zip code of your place. Go ahead, add in the correct zip code and simply tap on this next up. It will give you an option of choose a cash tag, your unique name for getting paid by anyone. Now you're gonna go ahead, enter your cash tag name and tap on this next up. And then it will finally ask for you to add a bank using your debit card. You're gonna go ahead, enter your debit card number and tap on this next. If you would like, you can even choose to skip for it and then tap on this next, and you will confirm all of the information, and that way you will be able to create yourself a new cash account just like that. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and this I will be seeing you guys in our next video.